In this video, we are going to see that if your Roblox is not launching or not playing, here's a quick fix for you. Actually, we are going to see a couple of solutions that might work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, we need to head over to roblox.com on our favorite browser. And let's say that we want to play any game. All you have to do is just open up that game and you should be able to play it. So I'll pick any free game that doesn't cost me any Robux. So here's a free game that I can play. I will just hit the play button and we should see the option to open the Roblox game client. So we click on that and it should be opened in the Roblox player and we should be able to play it. However, if it is not happening, here's how you can fix that. First of all, just close the Roblox player and the browser. And what we do is simply uninstall it first and then reinstall it. Don't worry, you don't have to mention the credentials and it only takes a few seconds to do that. So what we do is just go to the start menu and right here Roblox. Now once you see the player like this, you right click on it and you hit uninstall from here. It will open up the installed apps section from where we will write Roblox again and we hit uninstall. Click on uninstall and this is done. Alternatively, what you can also do is you head over to the control panel, click on uninstall a program. This is a usual way of doing it. And we uninstall it from here. Just make sure that the icon is fully removed from here. Now, once it is fully removed, the reinstallation process is also pretty simple. You just head over to the browser, write Roblox, and whatever game you want to play, you click on that and you click on the play icon. It will take some time, and if it is unable to identify or find any player, it will not show you the game client option. Instead, it will show you the download option. So we simply download a fresh copy of it. It will just take a few minutes to do that. And then we will head over to the folder and simply install from there. And as you can see, it will only process a little bit and then it will launch the app directly with your credentials mentioned. So you don't even need to sign in again with your credentials. So this is the best way to update it very quickly. And even after that, if you're unable to play that, maybe your temp data is causing the problem. So we hit the start menu right here, run, and we mention here percentage local app data percentage. Just make sure to write it in the same way without any spaces. Click OK. And here all we need to do is just find Roblox folder. You just go to the folder, select all the files and then simply delete it. Again, don't worry, this is a temp files that will regenerate itself once you start playing games on Roblox. So we hit delete. And the ideal way of doing this is just exit from any player if you have launched Roblox already. And once all of these files are deleted, you might need to restart your computer once in order to make it effective. And also just make sure that your date and time is synced properly and it is showing the correct date and time, because if not, it might show you a lot of errors and issues. So just make sure of that. So these are a couple of solutions that might work for you in order to fix the Roblox not launching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.